So in today's video, I will tell you the step-by-step guide to claim losses from Uber in your tax return in Australia. Step 1. Gather necessary documents. Ensure you have all relevant documents like income statements provided by Uber, receipts for all business related expenses like fuel, maintenance, insurance, etc. Logbooks to substantiate business use of your vehicle. Bank statements to cross-check income and expenses. Any other financial records related to your Uber business. Step 2. Calculate your net loss. Total income. Sum up all income earned from Uber. Total expenses. Sum up all business related expenses. Net loss. Subtract total expenses from total income. If the result is negative, this is your net loss. Step 3. Log into your MyGov account and then go to access your MyTax. And how you do that, I will show you right now. I'm on to the google.com and I typed here MyGov, and here is the link, MyGov link, and you click on that link and then you come here onto your MyGov website. As you can see, this is my MyGov account, and here I have linked already Australian Taxation Office to MyGov account. If you don't have this link yet, if you will go to click on this view and link services, so these are the websites you have linked to your MyGov account, and these are the ones you can link it to your MyGov account by clicking on the link button here, right? So these are the sites which I have not linked, and if I want to link any of those pages or websites, I just need to click link button and it would link to my MyGov account. So these are the sites I have linked, which is Australian Taxation Office, Centrelink, Child Support, Medicare. So if I need to go on to my Australian Taxation Office, which I need to go for the tax return purpose for Uber tax, so I need to click on this link. You can click here, or if you go on to your home page, you will see the link here as well of Australian Taxation Office. So you click on that, and now I'm going on to my Australian Taxation Office website. So here, to apply for return, you need to click on tax, and then you need to click on lodgement, and then you need to click on income tax. And here you are on this page, income tax. So the first one, 2023-24 individual, you need to click on prepare, right? And then you are going on to another page here. So this is my tax. This is the page I need to go to, and from here onwards you need to click on next, and then click on next again, and then start filling out all the details it requires from you for your tax return for Uber. I'm not going to do it for you because I have done my tax return already through my tax agent. So this is you need to do for your Uber tax return. So I won't be filling out these forms, but I will tell you the steps you will be doing to complete this tax return form for Uber losses, right? Alright, so what you need to do, that you have opened My Tax, navigate to My Tax section to start or continue your tax return. Alright, step number 4, enter business income and expenses in My Tax. Navigate to business income section, go to business sole trader partnership and trust income. Select add or edit to input your business detail. Number 2, enter business details like your ABN number, enter your Australian business number if applicable. Now you go on to the business description section. Here you select a description that matches your Uber driving, such as road passenger transport. Number 3, report your income. Enter the total income received from Uber in the income section. This includes all fares and bonuses. Number 4, report expenses like vehicle expenses, include fuel, maintenance, repairs, depreciation, insurance, and registration. So you need to report expenses of your vehicle expenses. Okay, now other expenses. So you need to report other expenses, includes items such as mobile phone cost for business purpose, car cleaning, and any other relevant business expenses. Ensure you have receipts and records to back up these claims. So make sure you have all the receipts and records of the purchase you have done related to your Uber business to back up those claims. Step number 5, calculate and claim net losses. System calculations. So the MyTax system will automatically calculate the net profit and loss based on the income and expenses entered. So in that MyTax form, once you entered all the details, it will automatically calculate the net profit or loss based on the income and expenses you have entered. If your expenses exceed your income, the system will show a net loss. Step number 6, utilize the loss. Number 1, offset against other income. If you have other sources of income, the loss from your Uber business can be used to offset this income, thereby reducing your taxable income. Number 2, carry forward losses. If you do not have other income to offset, the loss can be carried forward to future years. This means it can be used to offset future income, reducing tax liabilities in those years. Step number 6, utilize the loss. If you have other sources of income, the loss from your Uber business can be used to offset this income, thereby reducing your taxable income. Number 2, carry forward loss. If you do not have other income to offset, the loss can be carried forward to future years. This means it can be used to offset future income. Step number 7, review and submit. Carefully review all information entered for accuracy. Once you are satisfied with your entries, submit your tax return through the MyTax portal on your ATO website. Maintain accurate and detailed records of all income and expenses. The ATO requires you to keep records for at least 5 years. Keep a logbook for at least 12 continuous weeks to substantiate business use of your vehicle. This is crucial if you claim a portion of vehicle expenses. If your tax situation is complex or you are unsure, consider consulting a registered tax agent or accountant. Visit the ATO website for more information on business deduction and reporting. Guidelines for right sourcing drivers. Refer to the specific guidelines provided by the ATO for right sourcing drivers to ensure you are claiming the correct expenses and reporting your income accurately. By following these steps, you can accurately claim losses from your Uber business on your tax return in Australia. I hope you found these information really helpful. Please make sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell for all the latest upcoming videos, and I will see you in my next video. Until then, goodbye.